Good morning and welcome to this week's Toolbox Talk. Today we will talk about crane safety. Cranes must be used safely with trained operators and crew members. The person assembling the crane must be both qualified and competent. After the crane is assembled, a qualified person must inspect it before lifting. Any problems found must be corrected. The lift plan needs to be communicated to the entire crew and anyone working around the crane. This plan should include details about the ground conditions, the load, the rigging, and the crane's capacities. Additionally, please make sure that any underground utilities are located prior to lifting to make sure the crane will not crush them. Make sure the plan shows where the path of the load will take. A critical lift is considered when the load exceeds 70% of the crane's maximum lifting capacity. If the load is more than 75%, there must be a certified lifting plan. Loven Contracting does not allow any lifting that exceeds 90% of the crane capacity. Before operating the crane, make sure it's in good working condition. Check for leaks, broken parts, or controls that don't work. Use the pre-lift checklist from the crane manufacturer as a guide. Only trained and licensed professionals are allowed to operate a crane. Make sure that these individuals' licenses are up to date. Inspect slings, hooks, wire ropes, and other lifting equipment prior to each lift. If any defects are detected, they are not safe to use and must be removed from the job site. Use clear hand signals and communication between the crane operator and the ground crew. The ground crew must be aware of the crane's swing radius. Use warning lines and barricades to keep others away from this swing area. Workers should be trained to recognize and avoid struck by or caught in between hazards. Remember, never stand under a suspended load unless you are required to receive it and secure it. Be aware of changing weather conditions such as wind and rain that could affect lifting. Keep a safe distance from power lines. Ask the power company about the voltage of nearby lines before lifting. By following these rules and using a lifting plan, clear communication, and situational awareness, we can lift safely. Remember, safety is everyone's responsibility. Thank you for being a partner in safety. As always, if you have any questions, please reach out to Loven Contracting. Have a great day and stay safe.